Hi, I'm Liz Bremer, Certified Professional Organizer and owner of Put It Simply Organizing LLC. Let's talk about maintaining order. So, one of the most common questions that we get as organizers is, now that I have my space organized, how am I going to keep it that way? If you have purged the excess and you have kept your system super simple in your space, then it should require pretty minimal effort to keep it that way. So here's my tip for today. If you have a small task that takes less time than it takes you to brush your teeth, do it now. So put an item back where it goes after you have used it. Do it now. Clear the table after a meal. Do it now. Sort today's mail, getting rid of any junk mail and distributing articles to other members of your household. Do it now. You get the gist. So you don't wait to brush your teeth until you have time to do it. You just do it now because you know it's for the greater good. Completing small tasks now will help you maintain order in your spaces. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share. Bye now.